Tesla stock is raising big questions. Overvalued or next multi-bagger? On top of it, Tesla just lost its EV crown. For the first time, Chinese EV giant BYD has surpassed Tesla global sales. But does this mean trouble for Tesla investors? Let's analyze Tesla's fundamentals and see if it is still a strong long-term bet. Watch this video till end to have a fair idea about the stock before you invest. Let's begin with the in-depth analysis of the stock. Today we are analyzing Tesla stock that seems highly overvalued at first glance. But does its growth potential justify the premium? The stock has a PE ratio of 112.2 compared to its industry's average of 17.2. Its PB ratio is 11 while industry's average is only 1.1. Even the PS ratio of 8.2 is way above the industry's average of 0.8. So by traditional valuation metrics, this stock looks expensive. But here is the twist. Analysts estimate that the earnings will grow at 23.5% per year and revenue will increase by 15.6% per year. Could this be a game changer? In this video, I'll break down into the fundamental and technical analysis of the stock, discuss its valuation, future growth projections, financial health, and finally analyze the price action to determine whether it's a strong buy or a risky bet. If you love the deep dive stock analysis, make sure to like this video, subscribe and follow for more market insights. Let us first talk about the valuation. This stock is currently 19.6% overvalued compared to its fair value or intrinsic value. The P ratio of 112.2 is 6.5 times higher than the industry's average of 17.2, making it looking significantly overpriced. Similarly, the PB ratio of 11 is much higher than the industry average of 1.1. The PS ratio of 8.2 is also very high. But valuation is just one piece of puzzle. What about the growth? Analysts expects the company's earning to grow at 23.5% per year and revenue to rise by 15.6% per year. That's a strong signal for future potential. The key question is, does this justify the high valuation? Now, let us examine its financial health. The company's debt to equity ratio stands at 10.7%, a huge improvement from 145.2% 5 years ago. That means the company has significantly reduced its debt burden. Plus, its operating cash flow comfortably covers its debt. The interest payments are well covered by earnings. These are positive indicators that strengthen the long-term outlook of Tesla stock. Tesla versus BYD, the new EV war. BYD is not just outselling Tesla. It's also dominating the affordable EV segment. While Tesla focuses on premium models, BYD's strategy of mass producing budget-friendly EV is reshaping the global market. This is a major risk factor investors must consider before investing. Now we have covered the broad fundamentals of the stock. Let us jump into the charts. We will analyze the price action, key support and resistance level, do the trend analysis, and identify the potential trading opportunity. Stay with me as we break it down. Let's see where this stock is headed. This is the monthly price chart of Tesla stock on Nasdaq. After a massive upside move, there was a correction, and in the recent time, it made an all-time high over here, and then correction took place. This correction is about 55% from its recent peak, or we may call it all-time high. All-time high of Tesla stock is 488.54, which it has made in December 2024. If you look at the price action and the chart pattern, there was a breakout of this bullish flag with respect to the prior impulsive wave in the month of July 2024 with a substantial rise in the volume. If we calculate the target with respect to the prior impulsive wave and project from the point of breakout. It has attained the first target when it made the all-time high, and then this correction is started. So when the trend resumes, considering this chart pattern of bullish flag, the next potential target could be $1,200. But in the current month, it is forming some kind of bullish pin bar, and EMA 21, EMA 55, volume weighted moving average 21, all these moving averages are bunching together, which the price is defending currently. If we refer to the weekly price chart of Tesla stock, what we find, there was a continuation chart pattern over here. This was the point of resistance. The price came out below it, but finally, back to back 2 days, there is a formation of a bullish pin bar, which means the bears could not dominate in the market. And now in the current week, we can see the resistance has been taken out with a breakaway gap. And in the current week, with a breakaway gap, the price has risen by 11.93%. So it seems that it is strongly bouncing back from the key support area as per the price action, where the price has taken support at multiple support level like SMA 144, SMA 233, SMA 200. These are all has been defended. Now let us move to the daily price chart to understand the recent price action and do the trend analysis as well. This is the daily price chart. If you do the trend analysis, certainly the price in downtrending move, the market structure is lower highs and lower lows, but in the recent time, price consolidated in a narrow zone. Can we see some kind of accumulation band after the downtrending move? And the price during the last trading session of the last week on 24th of March, there is a breakout of this accumulation phase, and the price finally managed to close above EMA 21 and volume weighted moving average. So it is showing a sign of trend reversal after forming some kind of accumulation phase over here, and the volume is also rising, and the volume is more than the average volume. That indicates that the extent of participation in the market is increasing with respect to the Tesla stock. Since the price is in downtrend, we need to have some kind of reversal chart pattern. So if I draw a trend line, this trend line could be very, very significant. Why this is a significant trend line? Because it acted as a dynamic resistance, and this could be a potential. When there is a breakout, we might see some kind of reversal chart pattern like inverse head and shoulder. However, considering the accumulation phase here, it could be treated as a double bottom chart pattern with breakout with a breakaway candle with a substantial rise in volume. So is Tesla still a buy at these levels, or should investors be cautious? While fundamentals remain good, competition from BYD is intensifying. The key question is, will Tesla's innovation and brand power help it reclaim the top spot? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.